Officer with National Museum Wales, and I'm going to show you a really easy sensory activity for children right from 6 months up to adults, and we're going to make a sensory Arctic scene today. So last night I filled some containers with water and put them in the freezer, and that's all you really need to do. I filled quite a big one, some little pots, and also I filled a plastic bag with water and pushed it in around the other objects in the freezer to make a really organic shape, and this is going to be my iceberg. I've also got a tray to make it all in, some water, some food colouring. I've got green, that's not necessary, but it can just make it a little bit more fun. And I've also got some penguins. If you've got any other Arctic animal toys, then great, but just anything will do. The first thing I'm going to do is put my ice cubes into my tray. Next, I'm going to add a few drops of food colouring into my water and put it into my tray. So as you can see, I've got my big iceberg, I've got a big round piece of ice and some smaller pieces. My penguins are swimming, and the green water just gives it more of an Arctic feel. This is Emrys, he's 1, and he's going to have a play with our Arctic scene today. What have we got? There are so many opportunities for learning here. This is a sensory experience, so children will use their senses to learn about things. Is it cold? It's a brilliant opportunity for language skills. Emrys obviously is a little bit young, but with an older child you could talk about how it feels if it's cold on your hands, if the penguins are cold, and about what you're doing, what animals might live here. It's also brilliant for their fine motor skills. Holding these are very slippery and hard to hold and hard to pick up out of the water. And it's also great just for a bit of freedom of expression. There's no right or wrong. You can't do any damage with this. It's not going to stain anything if you've used natural food colouring. And it's just a brilliant way for kids to play and learn and explore.